Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are unboxing the July 2021 Petit beauty subscription, vegan, cruelty-free beauty subscription. But before we get into that, I did put on the Charlotte Cook Cosmetics lip gloss in the color Brooklyn that I got in the Kinder Beauty box, and as you can see, it's very sheer, just a sheer shiny pink, so not a lot to it, but it is super comfortable as the description said it would be. So there is that. It feels really good on the lips, so just wanted to share that with you guys. Now let's see what's in the Petit box for this month. I'm very excited to check this out. Here is the card for this month, the multicolored scale kind of print, like a fish scale, and it looks like we're getting 4 products this month, so let's dig in. The first one here is from John Masters Organic. It is the Scalp Stimulating Shampoo with Spearmint and Meadowsweet. I don't know what Meadowsweet is. Here's that. Classic John Masters, like dark brown packaging. So let's read about that. This is a $14 value for 2 ounces. The organic spearmint and peppermint oils stimulate and refresh the scalp, while meadowsweet flower extract and eucalyptus oil balance the sebum levels. So I guess this is intended for like if you have oily hair, since it wants to balance your sebum levels. I don't have oily hair, but I'll certainly give it a try. I feel like spearmint and peppermint oils and eucalyptus oil could be super irritating to your skin if your skin's sensitive. So if you are sensitive skinned, I would imagine that extends to your scalp, so I wouldn't use this. I don't think I have a sensitive scalp, so I'm gonna give this a try, and I'm excited. We don't get a lot of shampoos in these boxes, so I'm excited to give this a try. The next item is from Moon Rivers Naturals, which I believe we've gotten something from before. I think it was like a body wash maybe. It is the Peppermint Lava Salt Hand and Body Nutrient Rich Cleanser. So I think this is another body wash, but I don't believe that's the scent we had last time. It was something minty, but I don't know if it was peppermint lava salt. I don't recall that lava salt. So this is a $9 value, and also I don't know what box I got this in before. It's a $9 value for 2 ounces. Your face, hand, and body. For face, hand, and body, this all-natural soap is enhanced with black lava, salt, peppermint, and a pinch of activated charcoal for a light detox. I would not use this on your face, just because it does have that charcoal in there. You don't know how your skin might take to staining. I would just use this on the body, and I think I liked it last time. I think I liked it enough to use it, but not like buy it. This product from this company, so we'll see how it goes. Certainly something I will use, so happy about that. Next item in the box is from Goldfed Empty. I'm not a big Goldfed Empty fan. I generally don't like the products that we get sent in these various boxes from this company, so let's see what this is. It is from their Problem line for unbalanced complexion. It is their Pure Start Gentle Detoxifying Facial Cleanser. So the cleanser has grapefruit peel oil, which at least it's not something you're going to leave on your face. You guys know I do not like sensitizing oils that get left on the face, but at least this is a cleanser and it'll get washed off. So I'll use a face cleanser, but I just don't care for Goldfed Empty products because it's got those citrus oils in them all the time and stuff. But anyway, this is a $5 value for 20 milliliters. A hypoallergenic daily cleanser that dissolves impurities and removes dead skin, excess oil, and makeup in one simple step. So I'm not completely disappointed with it because it is something I will use, but I'm kind of sick of getting products from this brand. So, I don't think it lowers my opinion of the box. The last item is from Sappho New Paradigm. It's a Skin Perfecting Primer for dry skin. So here's the box it comes in, just chic with silver lines and stuff. Let's open it up. And here's the product. It's kind of cool that this is like a matte gray tube, because you don't see a lot of gray packaging in beauty. And I think it's pretty chic. Anyway, let's read about this product. This is a $36 value, so this must be like their full size. And this is for 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce. A lightweight, phytonutrient-rich, silicone-free base formula, providing an extra layer of nourishment between skincare and foundation. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I wonder if there are ingredients listed on here somewhere. That is not in English. Oh, English is on the other side of the box. I'm like, this looks like French or something. Let's see. Looks mostly pretty good. Looks like there's chamomile flower oil further down. It looks like it might be the only sensitizing thing, the chamomile, but since it is something that's going to sit over top of all my skincare and likely not leach that far in, since I put on several layers of skincare, I'll probably consider using this. I do have several other primers I need to finish up. I've got this one from Pacifica, the Cherry Matte Mattifying Primer that I'm almost out of. And then I have a couple smaller samples I want to get through. So I don't know if I'll get to using this anytime soon, but I am interested in giving it a try. Especially since it's $36, that's a significant value. Overall, I mean, it is a solid box. It's just not one that's really exciting, but I can't logically give it a bad review because all of this is stuff I will use, but none of it really excites me. If you know what I mean. Like the shampoo I'll use, the body wash I'll use, the face wash I'll use, the primer I'll use, but none of this is like got the wow factor for me. So I mean, yeah, it's a good box. It's a good box this month. It's just not an exciting one. It's very much a utilitarian box. So take that however you want. But yeah, did you get all these same items in your box? Let me know down below. And are you excited about any of them? Maybe I'm just being a little too ho-hum about it. But yeah, definitely let me know any of your comments down in the comments section below. You can hit the thumbs up if you'd like to. And if you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And I will talk to you all later. Bye!